day. She drove through the darkness, her passion lit the way. Whose dream has become his nightmare, his duty, and his mission.